Today in this video we are going to talk about the Grammarly Premium. So basically Grammarly Premium is used uh, to correct the spelling mistake. Learn about Grammarly Premium, advanced feedback on clarity, vocabulary tones, free basic writing suggestions including premium spelling grammar. So if you are looking for best Grammarly checker, so you can easily download this Grammarly from Play Store and use it. So today in this video we are going to check in that what's new in this Grammarly. Go to grammarly.com, enterprise sign up, log into an existing Grammarly account by clicking login upper right corner of the page, or create a new account. If you are new on Grammarly, so you can create new account. So Grammarly Premium free trial is also available, and username. So what are the new method to use Grammarly Premium for free? So according to Quora, unfortunately no, Grammarly does not have free version for students, but you can create free account and use its limited checking feature. So if you are looking for a free period, so you can just use its limited features, but not many more. So Grammarly extension is absolutely free. They have a free plan where you go get basically writing suggestions. You can easily download this. How to get a free Grammarly premium account in 2022? Create a new Grammarly account, sign up for Grammarly. So is there a free version of Grammarly Premium, or free offering equips you to spot and fix misspelled words, imperfect grammar and punctuations mistake? And Grammarly Premium does all that and all whole lot of more, all in services of taking your writing from good to great. So Grammarly have free access to the premium version of Grammarly, which provide plagiarism detection service and suggestions about writing, clarity, conclusion, vocabulary. So Grammarly is available for Windows, Mac and Android also, as you can use it for any kind of devices, and you can easily detect any plagiarism if it happen in your account, or you are writing any assignment or presentations, so you can use it. So for the best plagiarism detection you can use Grammarly. So here it is, you can use and check the Grammarly. So does Grammarly have a teacher discount? Grammarly does have a program from educator staff called Grammarly EDU, which works for educational institute to provide you grammar tools, but it may be not provide you tools free for teachers or anything free. So this is all about the Grammarly Premium. If you want to buy Grammarly Premium, so you can just sign up to Grammarly Premium account. So Grammarly Premium free account for everyone. Anyway, if you visit this page for Grammarly Premium account, then check below. You see account details. Grammarly Premium account features are check grammar and spelling, consciousness, check repeatedly, suggestions from vocabulary, enhancement, plagiarism detector, check genre specific writing, check your writing content across the web. So negative desktop apps for Windows or Mac user explanation of grammar rules, get performance, stats through Gmail. Email you can add works to your personal dictionary. So you can easily use Grammarly for all of your education stuff. While the free version allow you to access some of feature but not the full. So Grammarly Premium is the ultimate tool to ensure that everything you write on the web is competitively precious and easy to read. So is Grammarly is easy to use. So yeah, you can download Grammarly from Play Store, or you can install its extension in Chrome and your window, or you can use Mac and you can use it there for your convenient and take it easy.